Hi guys, hello. With my new fault video, I will tell you the solution of this fault and how to repair it step by step. Our printer has a problem with a dirty, stained or streaky printout, and this issue is 90% likely due to the drum unit. We replace our drum unit and get a clean printout. We can try to produce a more economical solution instead of replacing. Instead of the whole unit, the problem can be fixed by replacing the drum roll, drum knife and cleaning the waste container. I left the link above for the video I shot for similar Samsung devices. Yes, when we try, our writing comes out perfect. We have solved this problem. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for support purposes.